Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and having your account details ready. You will need activation credentials from your ISP. Next, power down the old modem. Unplug the power and disconnect Ethernet and coax or fiber, then wait 30 seconds to let capacitors discharge. Place the new modem close to the same wall jack so cable lengths are adequate, and gather the coax, power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Once done, you're ready for the physical swap. You now remove the provider cable from the old unit and attach it to the modem's WAN port, making sure connectors are snug to prevent signal loss. Connect the modem's power and then plug an Ethernet cable from the modem LAN to your router or directly to your computer for setup. Power on the modem first. Watch the status LEDs for sync and online indications. If LEDs take longer than a few minutes, be patient. Initial provisioning can take time before the device is reachable. You complete the process by activating the modem via your ISP's activation portal or app. Log in with your account, and if prompted, enter the modem MAC address. Once activated, verify connectivity by browsing to a website, running a speed test, or pinging 8 to confirm DNS and routing. If something goes wrong, reboot the modem once, recheck all cable connections and coax tightness. Then call your ISP with the modem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.